One Hour Smart Him here, and today we're going to show you how to reset a Sonos Beam. So we got a Sonos Beam here set up. Really like this speaker, and all you need to do to reset the Sonos Beam to factory defaults is first thing you're going to do is you're going to unplug the power. Okay, so there we go. We've got it unplugged. You could also just unplug it at the wall. And the next thing that you're going to do, I don't know if you can see this, but in person you'll be able to see it. I'm going to zoom in. There you go. You can see that. Right here, it's this infinity symbol, and you're going to hold that down, and then you're going to plug the power back in. And that infinity symbol is the reset button. So you're going to pay attention to, there's a little light here on the front of the Sonos blinking, this white light. And when it turns orange, it means that factory reset is starting, and it's starting that reset, and it will erase all the settings for your Sonos Beam. So we're just holding it down. The white light is blinking. We're waiting for the orange light. Once you see the orange light, it means the reset is started for your Sonos Beam, and then it's going to go to green. Once we get the green light, it means that all the settings have been erased, and this is just like a brand new speaker. So if you are changing your Wi-Fi settings, or you're giving this away, or whatever reason that you are resetting your Sonos Beam, you need to wait till that green light, and then you are good to go. So I'm going to take my finger off, and now this Sonos Beam has been factory reset. That is how you reset a Sonos Beam speaker. So we hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.